It's Doggie Doo Corgi. Let's see what's in the box. Here's one doggy, one bone pump, 4 shovels, 2 bags of dog food, 1 die with a sticker sheet, and 1 plunger. First, put the stickers on the die. Fill the container at the back of the bone with the exact amount of dog food, or else the dog might not work properly. The rubber rings ensure a tight seal of the pump system. Keep the dog food in its sealed bag when not in use to avoid it drying out. You have to insert the bone properly to prevent air leakage by pushing the center of the bone. On your turn, place your shovel behind the doggy and roll the die to find out how many times you have to squeeze the bone pump. Once the action is completed, retrieve your shovel. Now it's your opponent's turn. If Doggie Doo's on your turn, store the dew on your shovel. If the Doggie Doo is stuck, use the plunger to unclog the doggy. Feed the doggy until there's no food left. The player with the most dews wins. Doggie Doo Corgi from Goliath.